Hey there, I'm Sean C. Davis, and I got this new keyboard here from Netlify, and I've been using it for a few days, and it's really cool. It's really unique. It's got, if you can see, it's got these 6 unique keys that make it work a little bit differently than most other keyboards, and it's been really fun to kind of figure out how to work with it. But I couldn't find a ton of documentation on the keys specifically, and so I thought I'd make a little video here to share what they do. Let's start up here. Up in the corner here, we've got the little Netlify icon, and it's an amazing key. I can't overstate that enough. If I end up on a website, and this happens to me all the time. I go to read a blog post. I land on the page and I'm reading the blog post and I'm all happy. I'm learning a bunch of stuff and it's great. Life is great. And then all of a sudden something takes over the page. All these other windows pop up. Well, on my laptop, I have to go feel this magical touch bar and guess where the escape key is. But on here, I know it's always in the corner. And when I hit it, I get some feedback. Oh, it's fantastic. What a great key. What a great key. Okay, moving on. The next key, it says commit. And at first I thought what would happen was I would write some code and then I would hit this button and it would commit the code. That's not actually what's happening. Instead, what's happening is after I hit that button, I end up just typing uppercase letters exclusively. And I'm not totally sure why. I guess, like, why does it say commit? You know what? I think I figured it out. I think I'm committing to yelling at people for the rest of the day. And that's okay, I guess. All right. Well, anyways, there's another Netlify little icon here. This one, it's got some. It does have some magic powers in it, but I don't feel like I can go into depth with those today. What I'll tell you about as I continue to try to figure them out is that it does one thing, and it has prevented me from having to look at the Windows logo. So again, useful. Over here, there's this button that says build. And I'll tell you what, every time I hit this button, everything breaks. I get red X's all over the screen. So I don't use it anymore. What I've done since failing all the time is I now write my code. And then I send it to somebody who actually knows what they're doing, and I assume they've got some equivalent of a build button on their keyboard or something. But the few times that I've hit this and I've broken everything, this key up here has come in so much handy. So much. It's very useful. It says rollback, and it does exactly that. I hit that, and it just gets rid of all of the terrible code I've written. So that one is useful. Just like the escape key. I don't know which one I like more. Now, the last one, the deploy key. This key makes me really anxious. I feel like you need a higher degree of confidence than I have before hitting this key. And so I haven't done it yet. Maybe we should do that together here. Okay. Are you ready?